hear me saying it.
No doubt. I usually wait until after 5 o'clock when I know my wife's home. Start the real routine.
Hey man, your wife might be listening to this.
The real routine starts after 5 when I know she's home. Yeah, I know what you're talking about here. It just seems like you made that transition to acting seamless. Eddie Murphy did as well. I mean, this guy all of a sudden SNL doing some stand-up, boom, 48 hours, seamless, and you don't see that happen often.
You don't. They complement each other. Once a person understands that, they can do both of them good. Once a person understands that the stand-up feeds the acting and the acting feeds the stand-up, because in order to be a good actor, you have to hone your craft and be able to work on it in some type of way. That's why a lot of comedian actors, such as like Jamie Foxx and Monique, have won awards that they have won, because they are, how can I say it? Comedians are a little bit more, have a little bit more access to the art as an actor. An actor has to go in a room with other people and work on their craft.
How much more time do you guys have?
About 2 seconds.
About 2 seconds.
No,
you guys get a jump. You want to take some phone calls?
Yeah, we want to do that. We can look like we got one call from Greenwood.
We got one call from Greenwood. If you want to talk to Mike Epps or Ann Paris, 239-1070. You want to talk to the actor, comedian, or the legend that is Ann Paris.
Legendary.
You can do so right now at 239-1070. We'll talk some local sports, too. We'll talk about if you still watch the Pacers, how much you like the Colts, and a lot of other things leading up to the April 9th show.
Casico Fieldhouse. Come holler at your
Fieldhouse.
boy.
You talk to Mike Epps. We'll give you that chance next.